Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brushy and welcome to No Man's Sky. So today I am playing No Man's Sky. It is basically a space game. This one please. Okay, let's take a little look. So this has changed a lot since I played it last. Normal, okay, survival, okay, permadeath. I'm not gonna. That's like hardcore. Creative, I don't really want to do creative, and communicate, yeah, I'm going to do normal. I'm going to be a normal boy, because I don't really want to do permadeath, because I know that I'm going to die within the first, 2 minutes of the game. So, No Man's Sky has been one of those games that I've been wanting to play on the channel for a while. It's just that I've been very, what's the word? Also, the game looks a bit jumpy, because it looks jumpy on the OBS. It looks jumpy on both. That's a bit weird. But yeah, I've been wanting to play No Man's Sky on the channel. It's just that I didn't really know how I was going to play it. Because No Man's Sky isn't exactly the sort of game that I would consider a normal game for me to play. I'm usually a Minecraft player. So I kind of wanted to test my limits and say, screw playing Minecraft for an episode or whatever. Let's play something completely different other than Minecraft. And I thought, what games do I have? No Man's Sky. Begin installation. Let's do it.
Commencing Atlas system suit initialization. Life support systems activated.
Oh wow. That is beautiful.
Shield kinetic system online. Scanner damaged. Repair required.
Okay.
Aerial propulsion jetpack online. Multi-tool and mining laser attachment operational.
Okay.
User initialization sequence complete.
What am I in third person for? Hold tab. Oh, acid rain. Okay, that's how I run. Gotcha. I want to get in. With this. Cave mushroom. Oh my dear god. Please do not. Okay, we're in shelter, so we should be far. Whoa, hello. Is that something bad? That is something bad, okay. I want to stay in here for a moment until the storm calms down. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, hello. Okay, so this is my inventory. No, this is a multi-tool. Ferrite. Nope, sorry, ferrite dust. So, 75. Okay. So this is my okay. Starship. Out of reach. Okay. Secret. What? Secret. Okay. This is a lot to take in. Okay, so this is my. Okay, so this is me. Starship multi-tool. Got it. Okay. How? How? Oh my dear god. What's this? That's the... What is that called? Dehydrogen. Okay. That's new. Right, is there any ferrite dust? Oh, right. Actually, I want to go back up. There. Come on, get up there. Okay, give it a sec. There we go. Haha! Gotcha now. Ow. I can break you, which is good. What am I getting hit by? Oh. Ah! Oh my dear god. How do I destroy you? Okay. destroying it, which is good. Okay. Sodium. Okay, so are we safe now? We should be safe. I want to say that we're safe. That's cobalt. Okay. Where's my body gone? Can I ask? Okay, there. No mind. This is cobalt. I don't know what cobalt is used for. Right. Scanner can locate resources. I don't have any ferrite. What is ferrite? Is ferrite... That's cobalt. Okay, I'm going to take cobalt because it's cobalt. Wait. Also, hang on. How do I get to the main menu? Like this. The general options. Control. No, where is it? General options. Where's sound? Change it to 50 because my ears are screaming at me saying, okay, why is everything on ultra high for? I never touched this game in ages, and now it's telling me everything's on. No graphics. No, that's. Wait, I thought of course I just leave it. Okay, everything should be fine. I just wanted to turn down the sound because is that ferrite? That's cobalt. Let's go find some ferrite. I don't know what ferrite looks like, so that's gonna be interesting. Any of these? Oh, I was lucky. Wait, so do I have to get a ship, or do I just have to locate it? Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my little cave. If I don't fall off the face of this planet, what? What? Wait. Oh no! That's not good. Oh, give me a chance. I want to get back in here because it's safe. Oh, that is a pool. That's bad. Okay. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. I have. Oh no! Come on. But what did I need for these? Yeah, mine tool. Carbon. Where's carbon when you need it? Don't fall. Where's carbon? I really do not want to die. Damn it. This is a big cave looking thing. I'm gonna go this way. Why is it that I only have limited blimmin' thingy for? Is there another way of getting carbon? Oh! Oh! Okay. What this? I'm just gonna punch it to death. It hurt me, so I'm just gonna punch it to death. Oh, we needed carbon, not oxygen. Whoops. I like the fact that we just punched it. I should not be. My good God. Okay, we have a lot of resources, but we don't have anything that I need right now. What the hell are you? Hi. Let's go this way. Maybe not this way in particular, but... I don't see any resources I need. I need oxygen. Nope, sorry, carbon. Oxygen? Wait. Hazardous rock. I don't care. Oh my god, this is useless. I need... It's carbon, not... I keep doing that. I'm an idiot. I keep doing that. What are you? What do you give me? Gaming sack. What do you give me? Huh? The hell are these? I'm gonna grab a bunch of them Because I don't know what they do, but they may be useful. I can't believe I've already run out of bloody beam juice. That sounds really weird me saying that, beam juice. Are there any plants or anything? There's, what's that? Is that something I can use? Wait, is that the same thing I attacked earlier? That is, isn't it? Yeah, what do you give me? You give me oxygen, I think. Was it oxygen you give me? Yeah, oxygen. I don't want you. Actually, I'm gonna come out of here because I don't really... Ow! I'm wondering what that was for a sec. I got the hydrogen. Right, okay. What are you? I don't know what half the things are here. I need to get carbon. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Ouch! Definitely not. Oh, excuse me. Oh wait, I may be able to get up there though. Right, already set. Oh, this jetpack sucks. How do I get it? Wait, what are you? That's. Do not fall. Can I get in? Move my big butt out of the way. What's this? Is that just decoration or yeah, that's just decoration. There's nothing useful. I need oxygen. No, I need carbon. Oh, good God. I don't know where I'm going either. I'm just running around like a headless chicken. Wait. What do you things do? Nothing. Nothing that I can... You're platinum. Okay, well I know where to get platinum from. Right. I need to get up, don't I? Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, no. Ouch. That was just dumb. I need to find a plant or something that's gonna give me, or something that's just gonna give me carbon. Okay, right, I'm finally out. Let's try all of these things. I'm just gonna smack everything I find. I do not care. Hello, what are you? Oh my dear God, hello. You're huge. You're all huge. I don't really want to go. Oh, leave me alone. Are any of you carbon? Yes. I'm so sorry, but I'm also not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, that should be enough. Nice. Another one? Okay, what's this? Carbon. Yes. Thank you. Oh, I need to get shelter. Whoops. Where's shelter? Can I get shelter down here? Yup. This way. We're gonna go back to the cave. I don't really want to stay out here for long. Life's a... The hell? That's normal, I guess. Use the scanner to locate resources. Okay, right. Okay, right, let's stop now. Let's fix this. Cannot build components. What? Oh, right, yeah. Okay. I was about to say, wait, why not? But never mind. Nope. Where's all the ferrite gone? I don't know what is ferrite and what's not. Ah, okay, never mind. It helps if you look around. Right. Yes. Component repaired. Neato. X. What? What? Oh, right, okay. I ain't got a clue what I'm doing here. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. How do I use the scanner? Oh, C. What can I find? That. I don't think I need the hydrogen, but I'll take a bunch of it anyway. A signal is detected. Where did I find? Ah, it's over there. Okay. What's all this? Ferrite dust. I'll take it.
Toxic protection. Falling.
Where is it? It's over here. Hello again. There's something behind me that needs to. Oh. I pluck it, not destroy it. Where did the little thing go? There. Okay. It's a signal. I don't know what signal it is, but we're gonna go find out together. I need a drink before I do anything. Okay, reach the. Okie dokie. Life support power low. Life support. Oxygen. Technology has been recharged. Nice. I want to grab some more resources because I don't really want to go anywhere. I don't want to go. No, that makes no sense at all. I obviously want to go places, but I don't want to go like far because I want to get resources as well. Because I know for a fact that if I are you guys hostile? I'm scared to go near anything. Ah, right, whoops. Nothing attack me, please. How much more carbon do we have? 31. That's plenty. As long as I grab carbon on the way to stuff, I should be good to go. There we go, sweet. Please leave me alone, please. Be nice to me. Hello. Okay, so that was an interesting first mission. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I know why I'm lagging, but I'm lagging because I'm trying to upload as well as do a video, which is kind of dumb, but just trust beacon. Hello. Okay. We're gonna broadcast it. Broadcast received. Traveler anomaly detected. Okay. What did that do? Reach the marked coordinate. What's where? It's not showing me anything. Atlas pass required. That's a bit poop. Ooh, nice. What is that? Buried technology module. How the hell am I meant to get down there? Sure, I'll take it. Oh, I got sodium for it as well. Okay, I can't do that. What about these? Oh, okay. Sodium. I can't grab any of them. What's this? Damaged machinery. Living slime. Oh, nice. I'll take it, sure. Okay, what did I just do? Nanites received 29. What? Is this my ship? Board the ship, okay. Iteration, okay, online. Wait, can I? Okay, no, it's full screen, so I can't. I was going to turn the desktop audio down. Launch thrusters offline, okay. Pulse engine offline, yep. Okay. I'm gonna connect the episode soon. Okay. Perform maintenance. Okay. Self-guided repair protocols initiated. Okay. So what do I need? Pulse engine is critically damaged. What do I need? A hermetic seal and metal plating. Got it. How in sanity's name do I get them? Damage. I need pure ferrite, and I also need dehydrogen jelly. How do I get dehydrogen jelly? Can I ask? A hermetic seal and okay. Okay, that just gives me more questions. Oh. Oh, okay, I can craft stuff. That's neat. That's really cool. Can I not make anything else? What's all this? Oh, okay, this is everything. Oh, I see, I see. Consumable, okay. I get you, I get you. Right, hermetic seal I don't have. Pure ferrite. Is there a way of making pure ferrite? Oh, battery, what's that? Okay, I don't even know what a battery is. Restore points saved, nice. I need to go repair the... Okay. Okie dokie. I saw something. Carbon. I'll take it. Alright. Right, we need pure ferrite. How do we get pure ferrite? Does that sound kind of... No, that's my ship. Oh, right, yeah. Component repaired, nice. Okay, so is it going to tell me what I need to do next, or no? No, okay. So I still need... Okay, I need to get pure ferrite first. Is there any ferrite that I can get? Wait, is it still... How am I meant to know where my ship is? Okay, this is cobalt, okay. There's no point taking that, it's going to kill me. That's more cobalt, which I'll again take. Because I don't know what... There's a lot of cobalt down here. And also these, I don't know what these are. Hazardous flora, okay. Okay, time to get out of here. Is that something? No, that's just terrain. I want to get a thruster that actually lasts longer than like 12 seconds. Because this is just a bit doo-doo. See, it is so rubbish. This is all cobalt. I need ferrite, well, iron. Isn't another name for ferrite iron? I'm pretty sure it is. Ferrite's just another name for iron. I swear it is. Either that or I have no idea. Carbon. Useful. Okay, there's my ship. I know where my ship is. No, don't go near it. That was kind of dumb of me to do, but you know, I learned. Ferrite, yes. Question is, how do I get pure ferrite? I will grab as much ferrite as I possibly can right now. Oh, it's going to overheat, isn't it? Okay, that's a thing. It can overheat. There's more ferrite. Good God. Nice. Starship repair, board the ship, consult diagnostics. Okay. Okie dokie. I'm on my way. Kind of, if I don't keep looking at the ground. Okie dokie. Critically damaged, vital ingredients missing, okay. Pulse engine requires, okay. I need assistance with that, please. Wait, there's one nearby. Salvage planetary chart from distress beacon cache. Oh, okay. Repair. Okay. But I searched it. I did the doo-doo. Hello. Jesus Christ. Hi. Take planetary chart. Thanks. One planetary chart.
Falling.
Where?
Alert.
Whoa.
Navigational data received.
Okay. Oh. How far is that? That's a bit far. Right. I'm going to get in my ship to stop me from dying. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to leave the video here. Good place to stop off. Anyway, if you guys have enjoyed the video so far and you want to see more, don't forget to drop a like, comment and subscribe. Next episode we will be going over to grab the Hermetic seal. I can't read properly. We will be going over to the waypoint to get it. Who knows what we'll find. We may find some more treasure and stuff. I also want to take a look at those other markings up there. But anyway, that's for next video. Again, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.